Today's recipe is baked brie with roasted garlic. The ingredients are 1 whole garlic bulb, 1½ teaspoons plus 1 tablespoon of olive oil divided, 1 tablespoon minced fresh rosemary or 1 teaspoon dried crushed rosemary, 1 round loaf sourdough bread, 1 8-ounce round brie or camembert cheese, and if you can't find the round, go ahead and get the wedge and then you can make it fit into the bread bowl. 1 loaf French bread baguette, sliced and toasted, and red and green grapes. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. The first thing that we're going to do is prepare the garlic to be roasted in the oven. Remove the papery outer skin, but don't peel or separate the cloves. Cut the top off the bulb. Brush with 1½ teaspoons of oil. And sprinkle it with rosemary. Wrap it up in your foil and bake at 425 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes or until softened. Meanwhile, cut the top fourth off the loaf of sourdough bread and hollow out enough of the bottom of the bread so that the cheese will fit inside. If you can preserve larger chunks, you can cube that bread that you've removed and set that aside. Place the cheese inside the bread. When the garlic comes out of the oven, let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes and reduce the heat for your oven to 375. Squeeze the softened garlic into a bowl and mash it with a fork. Spread the mashed garlic over the cheese. Replace the bread top. And then you're going to brush the outside of the bread with your remaining oil. I had wrapped this up to put it into the oven and then realized I had forgotten to oil it, so I had to unwrap it and put the oil on again. That's why it looks like I'm using used foil. Now it's ready. So put that in the oven